everyone. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how to enable your update. Let's say for example you had a presentation and then you say, you know what, because of in case like a Windows 10 start updating or 7 or 8. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to enable in case you disable that. Okay, salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez super bien. Mbote na bandeko nesupoza kolandanga lelo na ko coach bino ndenge nini ezalaka soki o disable account na yo ya o disable nini update na yo na Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 ndenge nini okoki enable yango ezonga ndenge ezalaki. Okay, eloko liboso tokosala na biso toke na biso na host machine oyo eza host machine elingi koloba physical machine. Ok, okaka vocabulaire ozo comprendre bien te tuna ngai soni na baso za mituna mo mosusu na koloba ozo comprendre te obengi nga otuni nga po omoni chaque programme eza na ba terminologie na ba utilisaka. Mutu asali médecine bazala na terminologie na bango, mutu asali ndeti théologie baza pe na nini na bango na terminologie na bango. Mutu asali ndeti baka na anglais computer science baza pe na terminologie na bango. Bato pe basali journalisme, pédagogie. Alors toloba mingi te, tika to bana musala. Eloko liboso tokosala tofungola na biso Windows 7 na biso. Okay, oyo eza Windows 7 na biso. Sikoyo nde na kotia mot de passe. Toye na biso awa eloko liboso tokosala toya na biso moni kaka na clavier na soko ofini symbole ya nini ya window na R ebimisilo tableau moko wana. Mon tableau nazoloba eza yango soko komi R okomi boye omona yango wana. Okay, na ozongela koma oye awa cliquer awa oyo eza Windows 7 et awa komi boye. Okay, yango tozolinga tozwa oyo cliquer na yango ekemema o awa soki na awa. This is the one. Okay, so we're gonna write this. Okay, this is the one we're gonna write. You need to write it because in your case it's not gonna be there because I was working here before. Koma boy. Okay, so go komi boy cliquer na yo. Okay, so go cliquer okay omona tokoya awa o cliquer okay tokoya awa. So toye awa eloko tokosala omoni toza na local group policy editing. Okay, donc toza na local computer policy. Again, local computer policy. Après soki tolongo na biso wana tokoke na biso awa na cliquer na biso na awa. Okay, adim template. Après ça wana tokoke na biso na window component, this one. Okay, cliquer na biso wana soki tolongo na biso wana tokoke na biso nde sikoyo na window update. Toluka yango tokokete na biso na se na window update. Tozoluka window update tokita na biso na se window update yango cliquer na yango cliquer na yango omona awa toya awa na awa nde sikoyo tozoluka na biso place oyo bakomi na place oyo bakomi omona tozoluka configure automatic updates. Cliquer na yango omoni ndenge eza disable no olingi sikoyo totango enable. Cliquer awa. Après ça na se tosoto cliquer wana omona na se omona cliquer wana omona awa komi apply. toclique ao apply, toclique OK. So tozongi wana moni yango yango oyo ali tokangi na biso ordinateur. We start our computer. That's it. Esili nango. Okay, it's done. We fix the problem. We fix that. Okay, esili nango. Donc oyo tosali yango eza na window 7. Sikoyo tokenda biso na window 8. Guys, we're gonna go in window 8.1. Okay, we're gonna do that there. So now we are here in my host machine. Now we need window 8. Okay, so now we are here on window 8. Okay, so if we take a look, this is my host machine. Okay, this one is my host machine. This one is my so this one is my host. This one is my virtual machine. Okay, so this one I'm gonna put the password here. Okay, now utamo the passe. So we're gonna be here inside of window 8. Okay, this one is window 8. Now when we go here, this is window 8. Window 8 is completely different. If we go here, we're gonna go right here. Window 8 is different story. It's not the same as window 10 or window 7. Okay, it's completely different. So for example, if I click here, we are here, and then here we click there. This is window 8. Now we want to go to if you want, you click here. Okay, you click right here. Okay, now we need the you can type window R, the symbol of window R, and then it's gonna bring you this. This is the one we need. I'm gonna show you guys, we need this. Okay, you click on this one. All right, when you're here, this is what we have to type. Okay, we're gonna type this. Okay, this is the one we're gonna type. We need this one. Okay, when you type this, and then this is the one we need. Sorry, this is the one we need. You type this and then you click OK. So when we are here, same thing like we did in Windows 7. We are here inside of local group policy editor. You're gonna see we are here inside of local computer policy, and then after that we're gonna go to here. We click here, this one, we're gonna go here. After this one, we're gonna go to window component. We're gonna click on it, and then when we finish there, we're gonna go to window updates. It's a little bit down, so we're gonna go down a little bit. It's right here. We're gonna click on it, double click on it. When you click on that, and then we need to go to configure automatic update. You see, it's disabled. Okay, I'm gonna go one more time for you guys to understand, because window 8 is a little bit different. This one is window 8. Okay, so in window 8, for example, if we go here, we go here, we go here, it's a different story. Window 8 is different. I just want to show you guys around first before we're gonna do that. If we click here, go back here, we click here, and then you see this flash, this one is flashing down. You click on it. When you click on that, and then bring this a little bit back here at the end, this is the one we need. So we're gonna click right here. We click on it, double click on it. When we are here, and make sure you type this. Okay, you type this. Okay, it's gonna come, don't worry. When we are here, we are inside of local group policy editor, and then we're gonna go to we are here in local computer policy. Now we're gonna go here. you see here, we're gonna go here. After that, we're gonna go in window component. We're gonna click right here. After this, we're gonna go down to window update. Yeah, we click on it, and then after this, we're gonna go to configure automatic update. You see, it's disabled. So you can just right click here. Sorry, you can just double click on it. Okay, when you double click on it, you're gonna see something is gonna come. You see, it's disabled. So we can just put enable, or we're gonna put here. We can do this, or we put enable. So I'm just gonna put this one, and then we're gonna click apply, and we're gonna click OK, and then it's right there. We're just gonna close it, and then we come here, and then if we go here, and then we sign out. Okay, so now we're gonna use window 10. So now we're gonna go on window 10, and we're gonna use it. Okay, now we're here. So this is window 10 we're gonna use. So I'm gonna make it a bit bigger, and then we're gonna put our password. Oh, oops. Yeah, so this one is window 10. Now we're gonna do the same thing. You can hold the window symbol and letter R, okay, or you can just come here, you type this. Okay, when you type this, you're gonna click on this one, click here. Okay, now here we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna type this. Okay, this is the one we're gonna type, this one. Okay, when you type this, finish, you click OK. Be patient, you're gonna see something that's gonna come here. Okay, so when we're here, we're gonna go to, you see, local group policy editor. We are here inside of the local computer policy, and we're gonna click right here on this. After this, we're gonna go on window component. We click right here. After this, we're gonna go to window update down. We're gonna go down a little bit here. It's right here. We double click on it, and then when you double click on that, we're gonna go to configure automatic update. We click on it. You see it's disabled. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in case you don't get it. We come here, you type this, or you just in your keyboard, you look at your keyboard. You're gonna see the Windows symbol. You hold it, you hold the Windows symbol and letter R at the same time. It's gonna bring you this, and then you're gonna click right here. Okay, and then here, make sure you type this. You type this. Okay, you type this. Okay, and then when you're there, so you're gonna see local group policy editor. You're gonna see here local computer policy. You're gonna go right here. Okay, this one. After that, you're gonna go to window component. You click here, and then we're gonna go to window update right here. You click on it, double click on it, and then we're gonna go to configure automatic update. Is disabled. We wanna enable. Double click on that, When you double click on that, you're gonna see these. Okay, you're gonna see here. So we wanna put it here, or you can put here. So we're just gonna put it right here. Okay, and let's say if you wanna put for a week or second weeks, it depends on you. Okay, if you wanna do like let's say you wanna put for a week or first second of the month. Okay, but we're just gonna leave it like this, or we're gonna put here, it's not a problem. And we're gonna put here apply. We're gonna click here OK. You see, or if we want, we can just double click on it. We're gonna come here enable, we're gonna come here apply, we're gonna come here OK, and then enable. That's it. And then you close it, and then we're done.